in inside camp. Never bring the Brabos. And then that way your friend away. May no person will be an accident will be a collision. Will be a yelling will be a collision. And then the commission was a freedom. Don't do honor. Not so one. Me don't buy any attention. I'm not really buy attention. What you got there? What that power for you? What do I do for us? That's why the killer must be killed. The killer must be killed. You want to follow what? As a young people. Mama, so who could be not bad? A friend, barrier. Let me see anyone. But about the new hero, will you feel what would change? You are people who are in the fashion. You are the people who are it is so tired and it is. And never treat me no castle for killers. What be a boy killer? What be a new one for one tower? What be a new one best seller? What be a new one to our dinner? What be a new one best seller now? What be a new one for you if you are? And the pandemic was over the news. Send it parliament and the was the killer. After this program, it shall be a better glory. Amen. May you tap it, let us not get it. Who shall go to get it? Get the moment you tap it, a better glory. Tap it 7 times. 7 times. A better glory. 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 You tap it 7 times. Oh, you know, Shakespeare. Say it 7 times. A better glory. A better glory. God will say, no so what that. What beer. What not to the devil said. Man for what must have a defense. Don't be the people near the wheel. Don't be the equal near the wheel. Who saw our son Goliath? When the devil that money in a full war. Of David. And the baby will be a water tower. Why baby will be a woman tower. But I have prayed for somebody watching there. There is a better glory coming. When there is a better glory coming. Shout a better glory. 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 And the part God bless you, you are watching me on Facebook. Whenever God bless you, whenever you are watching me live, Prophet, you are welcome. No more Tony, baby, I won't be a message that you are for the book on your knee. Some of the moment will be a bit hard to me. Because and then we are doing a killer or the killer. Mama may say, so what going to man up by the side? So So one boss is something one by your open you. One by the one by your open cool. Or the best Siakana. Because of this, my baby, I'm more flexible by you. The baby message 73 man. I'm not getting it. I can't have no flexible bar when I'm not saying what I'm not saying. And then I'm one, me too young. You can even say, then I'll make it, and I'm not a new message. And then you go down for Quabantre. Go down for Quabantre. And then the player for that corner for sure. No more player to a bravo song. So the baby was so a bravo song. Make clear for the one song. Papa may have me. Papa may have me too much. Papa may have me mad. Papa may have me one day. And you go down to call. No man would live in us. No man would live in us. No sooner to be covenant city. Papa make them a problem no. Me who are the water. Papa make them share water. Papa make them to be seen to my bravo. Papa said me come and never know a summit. Because something on the papa. I feel when I'm in papa Messiah. And you're 0545 92 Covenant City. What do you mean?
David found Saul sleeping in the center of the camp with his spear stuck in the ground near his head.
No, they put up in the pool. What the Mexican up in the pool? So what that? What be our put up in the pool? Second, what put up in the talent? I'm ready when I'm here at the shore. Can I pray for the Papa who have read? And the one that they want and then I'm saying that people who are going to say, you're trying to young boys, and you're moving to and no better got that as a mission on Sunday in the room. And no big at no room. And you're not obeying your between your pet and you must say. And then I'm saying, what be a taxi matter. Would the crown of the two? Would the crown of the seven? Would the crown of the falsifying? And cut the event. Would the crown? Bible said, something created was in me. But you are not being my summer president. And I'm not better with 2025. And I'm not better just with tomorrow. I have a Shabbat by the day. About the war of the future of the day. And there will be a statue tomorrow when I say, when I'm on the way to Manahawk, I'm going to be able to sit up with your friend to my home. Can I be there for somebody? I don't remember what time I was. Let me want to be alone. What the big time calls. You will feel as a fire.
Then Abner and the other soldiers were sleeping around Saul.
All the soldiers, all souls of the family will gather. What Pieta Amodeli to at all. Maybe it's not a prayer to say. Can I come for that? Mama, oh, I come for you. Are come once and make a power or you are come for. We are all people so cool or you are come for. Or better to put your own same now. And the only people who are going to be near the first one that's at the other town here. And that's the one man piles. Amen. And just so we are punching with me. Papa, me, are punching me. Papa, me, you call the punching. Papa, I've been paying here. Papa, I've been power and muscle. No, maybe the so we are continuing now. Maybe so we are covenant in it. I am one bread. I look what the Wusas upon our side. I would be a Wusas I will friend to do. I would think I am now the Europe. What did you say? I know what you remember about Brabama. Or people who status to come. Or people who status to come. Or people who turn and walk come. I do the back and come at me. I come with us. Who wanted a young body? Aye. When you see a true say, I feel you near prayer. Say, I got a solid. I feel you near prayer. Young people are inside. I do my best to do. I bear my baby. I as a government. But I'll be up for 1 year back. But I know I'll be up for degree. I'll be up for degree. What will be on the bar? What will be on the combat? What travel for UK? What international degree? What you want with the young talk? And what open to the young talk? But not professor. And not to be a Jesus. I'm in the Miami part. But I'm going to bless you. But I'm going to be obedient for me. Who for me? Who be found once a day? Who for me? Who will be found? The killer must be killed. Never be good TV in us. Your fancy. Number is 0545. 92. Yeah, I'm telling you what. Send them sitting on. And when the show be about for the 20 Ghana. I'm not 10 Ghana. The 35 from me up until with me. Now, free as someone to water. I feel a hobby about shooter. Why there is a fancy? Why are you confident about when you're confident in the person? Confident for 50 Ghana for building my confidence. I mean, I'm not sure it is a million confident. As a mere confident. And let the Mama wash his shoes. As a mere confident. Wash his shoes. Verse number 5. Verse number 5 to 10. What kill him? Who shall can understand? Share the link to me. Oh, I don't need to know for you. And therefore, God bless you. I see a light in your forehead, apostle. I saw a light. I saw light and what thing. Mark my way. I saw a light, very great light. Masupa Kakola. Are you ready to Kakula Kadama? Who said what for the 20 Ghana? What said what for the 10 Ghana? Me pedi pedi of the Baba, the person of your covenant. Baba, I feel some content for your country. Me person of the Papa. Baba, maybe a million content country from 50 Ghana and 100 Ghana and 20 Ghana. Baba, maybe a million content country. Baba, content country with you. Me yippee so na. Me yippee abametuma. Me yippee abawalia. And the connection for your beard to Obisita. And you premise a connection man. Obisita and just to put to come of here. So connection money to be to come and come. You the end so no do see can move. And the person who you can't say it. Who you can't get who you can't get connection man na people food to buy. What do so no one to say? I don't believe. What you want to do connection man? What for connection man we say for you to buy? What the catch you to buy? Yes, you see any friend in the Bible say, you will not want that. Bible so say you go do for that. What is it you want to do? What make us a case of for you and you? But why they take the any say? What do you want to do to me? Me the buy you, they go find you. Who did don't make any sense? Every family and whatever, how? Every family and 2 points, you will UK, you will US. Make them who want to say, the promise of the Messiah will be rejected. Cannot pray for somebody what you have. None of people prove in a second, and I'm really, I'm going to follow you ready. So I'm going to be my time for that part. I'm going to follow you ready. God bless you. You are watching us Facebook Live. So Mami Esther, God bless you. You are watching us. Ohima, ya, Ohima, Mihima, God bless you. You too, you are watching us live. Esther, you are watching us. What may you contract me, you contact Sapa and person be living mommy. Papa, Mama, Papa. Papa, maybe I'm not proper on me, who says I'm proper on me. Don't blame yourself. Don't blame yourself. Don't blame yourself. Papa, maybe I'm himself, I'm proper on and for you. Papa, maybe I'm a bar, no one doesn't listen to me. You're going to be listening by your bed. Mama said, "Oh, you must say me to me one. You go down for calling. You go down for calling. You go down for calling. What you when the woman said that, Mama, I will not go to school because school will be and you come back to school. And put degree, and put the degree, and put two more degree. We do not want Papa. When you want your car, put the town as a man. And as a woman goes to school, and the office wouldn't be me no, I beg a cabin bread. Now, maybe I can be to the fast school. So when you're going to know, Mama don't buy Papa no Papa. Me you put you who down for but you who down for but you who time be Mama person be me ya so be pray now or be pray the tuma who be yet to you but you who
Esther chapter 7, verse number 5. Then the king called King Xerxes, asked Queen Esther, who dares to do such a thing? Where is this man? And Esther answered, this is our enemy, our persecutor. Is this evil man called Haman? Haman faced the king and Queen Esther.
The king called Queen Esther. Matisa Haman, Matisa Haman, and planning with me. Maybe the one in the copy here. Help my yard. You cannot say me when you put your mind. One of my really discusses about who will be a Catholic Haman. Haman is something to walk with Esther. And then you were from the cars. Haman, sorry, and a good put you up. Some people when you head them, or head them, they demand you, I had them by you, flippant now. And I will come out some to you, and I will be there one year, and some of them. What we do, what you want to watch, what we do, what to the back, what we do, so that you find a black Susan, who must say, who must say, some people went to West Africa will be in the home. Why no magnet? Why no spring or king? I can't answer for 2 people. And who made that for this? Oh, okay, that for the collaboration. Everything, no, if I say coffee at the moment when you say, Abateo, the wire, of course, I'm producing for interview. Some planted a woman and one with what people pay for more than faith. Or continue to make you walk up. Kumasi Haya, what did you say? What often numbers in the beginning of the year? And I've heard of America. You're going to be sure you're proof. And the meaning of the Wapania for Jesus. Bible said, help mine. And they said, Monica, and I'm going to vote there. Bible said, what on a price? Never going to be sure my God will uniform. Me kasa unity. If I give order, and then we won't be one of the fear, and then we'll be about the global. Someone and no man or my own child, and then we'll be about the way to manage. And we'll be able to do this. And then we'll be able to do what and then we say, someone will be national. Baba na besa me ye kwantre ni baba me ye ode ode ni baba me ye akwantre 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 eye 7545 7545 ko ye wuro ko da ko akwantre e da fe root me se me nya blo ko ye wuro ko da ko akwantre o fo na me ye ko ye wuro ni Obe properties to see the perform more you are and you're between that. None of the ranking program, no people my put your bed more than 1,000. None enough for all one again. Who you know better? And no people see the people such a common you. For him, money come and you need it. But afford the power we pay. And that's all we have to be here to us. And now we're afford the one to make cannons. Amen. Verse number 7. Then the king got angry, and he left the room and went outside the palace of the garden. Then Haman could see that the king was determined to punish him. The Haman saw that this is the time for punishment. Today, God will punish your enemy. Amen. And I will punish you. So the man saw that when he will punish him.
So he decided to stay behind to beg Esther for his life.
After you are something beg Esther. Why you not please forgive me? Shut up. Send your Esther into an ammonia. Send your money into an ammonia. Can you remember this? Your good was a same man. Shut me. I feel alone. Mrs. Apache, Koya will be. Koya Apache, Koya will be. But the woman say you will be. It's over treasure in some Kawakuma. Over treasure in some Kawakuma. What the means of the best electric. I was on the means of Kayana shopping. How do you say to Anna shopping? What is it you want to do shopping? What is it you are now shopping? Chickens. I'm a real boy.
Why am I
ni papa mi yẹ kò dá kókó àpẹẹrẹ lọ kẹ́kẹ́ mi bẹ́ẹ̀ mi sẹ́ àfin òbí ni nsọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ká wọn ama náà bẹ confess àkyẹ̀dá you come and confess to him òbí ni nsọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ká wọn òbí mi náà bẹ confess ẹ̀rọ mi ní ma mi bí di ìdúmọ̀ ní ẹ̀yìn ló yà ọ̀sọ́ bá mi bá efi bọ̀ na ọ̀bọ̀bọ̀ àbá ní náà ẹ̀kọ́ pí hospital yẹ́pọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣe nso a dọ́kítà fọ́ sọ mu wọ́n ṣe yẹ kí akọ́ni jìnnà ọ̀tún yẹn náà ẹ̀ ṣe akọ́ni ẹ̀kọ́ fọ́ òbí ni nsọ àkàkọ́lá àmà sí ne ma bi kuku mi na se ma se obi de nsa kakɔla na ɔbɔ mpɛsɛ wa obi bi de ɔde nsa kama obi bi de ɔde nsa kama juma mi ɛbili bi obi de nsa kama juma ɛbili bi obi de nsa kama wani yɛ ɛna wiye mi bɔ mpa yɛ obi ɛsɛ nipa na obi ɛla adi bi a wayɛ tia mɛ ɛyɛ back to the sender ɛyɛ back to the sender ɛbɛ yɛ sɔfɛ sɔfɛ mi ɔfɛ bɔ mpa yɛ sa ɔfɛ bɔ mpa yɛ. Hello, good evening. Good evening.
Hello.
Mama, good evening.
Good evening. If I come, my son person me up, the first one 20, second one 30. Then I'm the same batch of
Mama, dear me. Me mom pay me my water, dear. Me mom pay me at the 200. Spiritualism, you pay more, you won't cash for. Oh, mommy, Mama suffered the moose. Mamma and I will cash for because spiritually I didn't start it. Or no one else is getting supreme. Or be a criminal catch of this. I had my short to water. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Ma'am, I can't patch with this and offer you fee.
Ẹgbẹ́ mi ìdílé ti dàpọ̀, mi fẹ́ kí ìgbọ̀kí àgbà mi nígbà wo ìtòjú náà kọ̀ tẹ̀lé àmà òun ti lè fẹ́ àkàtọ̀.
Okay, the ceremony, not for the main cast of I said, one make a choice. Hello.
Yes.
We were talking about for the main cast of the beach. So, what's who you up until you? And back off, send the seat not for them in the main cast of the church. Who said this is you upon my friend? God bless you. Mamma no dey come in front of me, na me cash am chere. Mamma no dey come from me, aye 0597 64 23 84. Na me cash am chere mamma ni se ya. Obi to media for the bono afa 0545 92 and give me back power of poor. No dey apostle. Dear me. Me don't buy your money to makuma 35. Oye ye kwa diyo ko tango ko ni bi. Ma, eka helma. Ko be kuku money ka fi. Hello, good evening. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening, mama.
Yeah. Now, I'm
very good. See the make at level. Spiritually, me will say when I'm no charge for. And the one that can explain being by your mouth. Because women and so we will go a long life. Now, the idea me was a man saying, who comparison when I'm by the way you read on this dream. I guess Mama, no what you know when I'm in class. Come on, come say it.
Yeah. If I die.
It's sanity. Powerful. Me papa ya Moses ya. Because everybody here be a channel. Ma kopi ya kuromi ya nubi suti me. Na bia me kopi ya kopi wa miti disability di koso. It is ritual when I saw a miti going on. Me wa miti ba konko for miti asia. Fomo ka adankasa. Bibi se kuromo kasa. Eba upo within what's up miti nase. Everybody say make country will say a full way. Who a long life. But my mom pay them a lot. Who but them will cash for. And then the mom pay them a torso. They give me a way of power. And you for the boys working. I pay them all down the way to law. You will never get me much law. Never yes to them. Amen. Now be a mama. Hello. Marty, what you know? The Queen Fitani, Marco Miansa, Fabius Yaman, one of me. Hello, Mountain. Hello, Marlo, what TV man was? Also, the same. What's over under the man was Sunday? The Prince Marco means something perfect. For brother, no man, dear mamma. I mean, sir, God bless you. One more way, God bless you. I'll pick it a man. God give us a 4 course lessons. 0545 92. Over to you. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. We were talking about TV, I'm watching. We were talking about Pantevi, who you put up on Pantevi. We were talking about Pantevi, who you. Na empire me mama spiritual so me who and deal with me who in second be a more by and such more by and such a pagan is a say there be one say what great and such and such of what baby dear me won't buy you because I am seeing a confusion every baby I want to know there is a confusion there between when you people are praising me you buy them because my mom I am a one Some confusion is the problem that's ever been out. Hear me. But I go to the American. Hello.
Hello.
You are to go to the American. Me say, Namia Pimen, one say, baby, I want to know I am seeing confusion. Because me will surface a point out. Every baby, I want to see baby. Anyways, I mean, won't pay your mom. Because there is a confusion will be able to know. Namia Duma Sunday, Brother woman and mom pay your mom. I am going to confirmation in the channel. I cannot call Rosa. Namia Duma Sunday for a time ever she had. Very good. Sunday, you are asking about just good dancing. But what time you be a what time penny says? For the woman, I mean, I am what? For me, I want to confess you who you are wearing. I don't make a reward. Very good. Very good. Bishop Sunday, I mean, I am. Maybe I thought there's a confusion. And I'm going to some figures going to be comprehended. I'm not talking. Whenever I go Sunday, I mean, because I make confirmation. Nobody says you make them Sunday of one. Seems like a professor. Very good. Namisha. Namia Duma be who is Sunday. God bless you. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Oh yeah, yeah. Only when Ranty. Malizi Kasua. Hello, Malizi nie. Malizi Bokwadie. And so the we young concept you. Hello, Malizi Sunday, brother, who you watch it. Malizi.
Yes, Papa.
Because Sunday, for 1 year, so who you watch it. Because one thing you have open brain or man, but in Canfas, so no man on Winya. Just make a tell no. Obesity, man is wouldn't be that. Make us watch out. Make can't never tap. Mamma Payama won't one a mobia. Woman won't brown honor. Wouldn't know for some food of obesity. Oh, my wouldn't know for some people and won't tap. Obe brave. And I didn't so possible. Man is Sunday, but what you about the woman? Oh, back to some pay the woman Sunday. Now, me be a chef for your mama.
But you're there.
Namisha, God bless you.
Mashallah, Namisha.
Namisha, Namisha. Makat, Otima, Makat. Man, I saw for you, God bless you. Mamma, and come and be a solo. Kaswa. And that's right. Kawaso was all Kaswa man is here. Those time, what's your name? Those time. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Hello, Mama, good evening. Hello, good evening. Ma, good evening. But I was saying, me mo payamo entasa wo kire but o mo asati kire o tie me wo enkenfata wo kire but spiritually wo asati kire o na adie bi hawa me mpesa me tu de wa tie me aso fi kai wo ya we me se entasa wo kire ba susu no awo kire bi ato so a wo ntia se everybody say me payan from out tie me Papa, tell the make a travel. Unconscious here, lower TV. Man, but all the lower TV, the TV, I mean, catch a very important TV. Lower TV, man, lower TV, and I'm 250, you know. I want to mean, you know, so. All over that TV. Opa, 7 new command, lower TV, no. Opa, 7 TV, a bit of a bomb frame. And your 0597 64 33 84. And for 4 back to the semi libra. Who the friend number one and over to my friend. The office is soon again, the buffer here. And the buffer anytime. And good evening.
Evening.
Man, but all lower TV, mommy, lower, but you know, Nyamisha, who did this and not very free? Man, Faustina, and what is the move from the pen and what is a bit more by your mouth, dear me. Some more by your farmer one. Bring me the sea. I made your house as a girl, dear me, for 24 this year. What can one now when you are appointed woman be? Nyamisha me can't just this year. What can one now appointed woman be? Bombay more first before the TM. Number 1, number 2, number 3. I see disappointment with 1 man, 1, 2, 3. Now I got for your problem, or the people who are problem say, me, I want to problem is it.
Okay.
What about the better?
Maybe I with you.
Very good. And for this, I am from now. Because this year, that promise and very disappointment, you know, also be you through a mouth. And this year will be your year. Sad 1, 2, 3 disappointment now. And baby, in Kawu, in Kawaniam, in Kawansan soon to me, I'm sorry, you know. I feel on the Mississippi process of the paper. What? Nyame akoma Sunday baby wo biala TV baby wo biala to spray fa be humi to spray be humi na me fanya dem fa ma what something me catch na wo
Mate na wo ifa
me wo ashari bo twet madina ashari bo twet dance me di me na ma be to TV no so no fa na mo direction yi what Nyamisha, amen. Nyamisha, after first thing we do, Obewane. He said, "For me, carrying in our TV show, me just be to Obanam de Tuaso. Young Papa, me number good TV show. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
But lower TV, no. But lower TV, no. Good evening, Mama. But what are you? Bokwadie. Me ba to bokwadie.
What are you doing?
Me ba to free fee. Now give me say.
Maybe Christian and Christian.
Mami Christian mama.
Yeah.
Mami Christian mo ni bring up on paye Emma on 9 right no what it. On 9 right no. From your waist Emma on 9. Me say from paye ma waist. From your waist to 9 right waist. I will see. Emma on 9 right no.
Okay. Mato.
Me bon paye ma what it. Everybody be bon paye. Pia la ma o ti mo mi bisite. E wo ni waist Emma ni 9 right no. Me yi sape na firi ho. E wo Yesu dire mo amen.
Amen.
Me to me friend good ye to me fa for friend for ni bie. Mama Christy, is it Christy? Mama Christy tama. Ye to me and Mama Christy bon paye for waist what it. Ko o company me understand, o company. They be my waist they be. Bon paye o am tuntum me that chill waist no. Am tuntum. And to man away first with Christy and just a waist ya we have. O pesa o frame na what take in America for one. No man no TV show. before me ba for no man go TV ni so and yes 0246
0246
83
83
26
26
0246
0246
83 26 26 frame ye pa frame na me mom pa ye frame na mom pa ye ma ye frame prophet Solomon enki me wo Madina asan keke oh mama me bom pa ya mo sia wata ma me bom pa ya ma o e ro me bom pa ya mo ba wo so mate ma me bom pa ya ma o e ro me yi pa ya ma o obi bi wa sani si bi ro ni bi kwa e wo Yesu dem amen me ba cha afa ye me bom pa ya ma o eti hwe me obi bi a o fere ni bi ala me bom pa ya ka di ama o beke una beke so beke hello good evening you like o ba o ye akwantani bi wa juma asere mama brame wasi woni ma tie me brana me wasi woni me fast pray ngu so mo wasi woni ma tie de me ka tire wo na me aduma Sunday we brana me wo de fa hwe ma brana me wasi woni ma na ko nya adwuma ni bi enti me na ma ni ku TV na sai frame me wie pa frame na me tire wa de Sunday brabe hu me what enye normal we enye normal oba ka enye normal obetina wasa ko ni kuro enye normal na me shira tia me wo tuma sam na mama after we to na mo brebe wo nyamidifo professional mo enti me na mo ni TV ni so frame let your friend me say ombra na ba me say me do sika me ndio kapre na wanga so nya adwuma to woni sika ya brana me worship woni bi for dem you so man me worship woni o bi bebe no fi va also wo ba na fe na woni sika wo be kai ko mba na obi adada na ko se bebe ni ya gidi se sakra na kuta na o di ni ya ge fi braba wo na me di fu Sunday e wo Madina asabuke school dances o de frame so pa me asante ni bi biada me bom pa ye ma wa kwantere fa be wo me pa hotel ne planning so ma wo bi ya fi we na pa say to be si de bia no na e ko wan complain na brabe wo Madina asabuke o yale o pejuma what application o how be there so ubibi yale adibi wonti ase e hu me na me na musu shira na me shira afa mo mpaye e ma afa bofo ye mo mpaye e ma afa bofo o ba wa ko ko dan to so eno na me ka me woni bai I feel like going down rock sao rock mu no eno pe da pa ni ba ni pa kan ko fu bia bra man de sao rock be pa everybody be pay that program for so only people they won't need the bomb pay man na program we am protected on one buy but only the sense of big man go big be give big no the program ko no what come from man which
respected danger zone
danger zone don't go there I feel who you danger zone only people be touching with you no
amen
call us on the bomb
Obed Lamte
everybody bomb fire ma Obed Lamte ma pete ko jambo ko yaka so maybe Obed won't be alive come on receive him for protection
amen Emilia Patton
everybody be you fire to Emilia shot Emilia be you fire to Abraham shot come on receive him for protection
amen Belinda Jesse
Berenida. Jesse. And when may you Payama Berenida. Jesse. May you Payama Jesse Berenida. But there will be a Africa will receive divine protection.
Amen. Ma Christiana, covenant seed.
Ma Christiana, Pema, covenant seed. And when we go Payama Christian, I want Pema. Christian in Mama Bible. Christian, may you receive protection now.
Amen.
Protection. Amen.
Amen.
Christian, Mrs. Andome, Mr. Obra. Ma Christian, Mama. Sunday be woman. Na me mbo atani bi mama. Jesus. Me mbo atani bi mama. Me kasa bra na mbo do sika. Bra na me ya gane mo. That's all. Na usua bua mo TV program no atama me Christian. Oh that baba. Oh that. Me ma kwa mo bi mpunto kini. Jesus. Kwa me mo ba ya.
Agnes Nati, covenant seed.
100. Agnes Nati. And when they use Payama Agnes, baby, I give up here. Divine protection. And to what to the divine protection. And to what there is. I stand on this covenant. Make us up to one brother's water. Receive divine protection.
Amen.
It will be Ben Agnes in prayer. Now, so, and by the boy, you know the power that followed that prayer. If this year was a touch. Agi, nani pale taho, no confess it. Agi namne mayo, agi, after covenant yomu, obi ni be buase.
Amen.
Ebi buase biya ye pedi mawo.
Jesus.
Obi ni be buase.
Amen.
Agi ni kesi, mo covenant. Mo ni buase ta.
Amen. Ma Sarah ahia.
Everybody be you, Payama and Sarah. Who Sarah be you? Africa be Pierre of the Flowers. Be good in the massive body. Receive divine protection.
Amen. Sarah ahia, you on because was what 20 at the date.
Wow. Everybody be Payama and Sarah. I started the shame.
My God.
That can still so sad.
Jesus.
This year, receive divine protection.
Amen. Benis appear.
Everybody be Payama.
Jesus.
Everybody Benis. Baby, Benis won't be alive.
My God. Jesus.
Benis, may you receive divine protection.
Amen.
Receive the protection now.
Amen. Abigail Ajeti.
Everybody be you, Payama Abigail. Always to support your father. May you receive divine protection.
Amen.
Amen.
That you just send a message. You say, I wish to sow a seed, but I don't have anything. But good Lord is at work. I am Michael Kofi.
Mike. Nami eye drove ya nami shira. By the end of this week,
Jesus.
Next week Monday start here. You be the first person to sow the seed.
Amen.
May God open divine doors.
Amen.
Financial doors.
Amen.
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 Tell me, over to me, I do affordable and swap. But here I am about a year. Ishirapa in Chua and Pipi. Ishirapa, Mirabel, God bless you. I miss you too much. And Uskaya, Elliot, God bless you. Elliot, I miss you so much. King, God bless you, I miss you. I'm not Doma, Ibishia. Namishia, Namino Biaka City. A young Casema was a 1 to 1 more, 1 to me, Nante, Uncle Winning. Every baby, baby said, Son, I'm going to walk to wrong. Mammy, one qua, come back to Bible says that a phobic national may say, Ya Pommy, if you grow more than so, the better suffer. We work our best. We are 4. Bible says, "Woman to Kruni Jaka and a comedy woman." Somebody has found a conversation. You crave a woo. You crave a woo. You come. I'll take you out of the womb. I'll take the sasso for more non shoot you. Oh, wait, you want what am I order? And they are Mama. Hear me. Yamia to my Sunday. Jadi ya ukofo kana wutie no. Woni mebe obi ko ya afi obi to na ntwi akoko. Aponchi kraman. Abraham eko bebe ko ya pai. Ugusu tuwa wa ko bebe ko so ni bebe akoko. Ana sa ni ba ni gina wa sa asofo de mo ko mo. Ana nso tie. Ono de di okoko na fo de aba. Wo akoko baba akoko ntuna to bi akoko fo do bebe. Tiɛ sɛ mɛka kyerɛ wo yie sandeɛ tɔ na ma wo na hwɛ wodeɛ bra bɛso ɛntwehwɛ bra bɛsɛ sɛ ɛkoo na medinfo ɛntwi wakɔ so na sɛ meyɛ ne bɛtumi akɔ anaa sɛ meha wobɛtumi afiri me so anaa frɛ na ma ne wɔte gyina sɛ Sunday 7:30 na wode mmirika bɛdu hɔ yɛntɛm na bɛsɛ sae ne bi bra bɛmu nyame dinfo nyame akɔa for how no betul ni obi body strategy na tuna do ba won kan asa wono nya me bi ni mo na kan wasa ni akero de ate ni owo solution ho na obo na bi di fo o bi o di kuta o asama ba oni ko sa me bi mo bi am na kuta woni pe bi o ka kansu bi am sa fo no mama sa ko mo ko o so di kuta pa na asama ba na me ambasa de me hwa fo ye ni bra for how no bra be hu nya me akoa nya me di fo professional mo entry me tia ayamia me president eda maso ene me check organizer nyame onshira mo mata ene mami Miriam ena mami no Edo's wife my Dina, God bless you me check organizer na minshira my Dina ena so mami eye mebu mami Meko masase of mama. I am man Jennifer of Mammy Jennifer. The no commented, no like it, no one said. So mammy, I mean, she wanted me change to one so. Yamia Tuma Watina, young man. Sunday, over Baby Woman. Monday, Missy Waha. Tierney, Yamia Tuma, Branton Room and Midi for. I want my dinner as a criminal money with TV source. I 0246 83 26. I am married, let the Reverend Mrs. Minister Angela, God bless you. King Richard, God bless you. Inslapa, God bless you. Osikaya, Elliot, God bless you. Esther, God bless you. Minister, after a software minister, Samoa, Rabbi. Yami onshira o tira ko so yami shira dagu yami shira rabbi yami shira sofo Stephen teacher yami shira minister Ruth, God bless you and a prophet Josephine let the young girl what take no odi for ba on Kenya Saturday odi for ba odi for fatherless what's fatherless no you take here or you odi for ba prophetess prophet Papa, Oba Behu no Behu na me no ediku. Na me shira ejafre day. Na me shira church Petro church. I don't know who they make hand for everybody. Na me shira ejafre. God bless you. Grace, God bless you. Apostle too. God bless you. Na me akuma Sunday no be shira. E wo Yesu name. Amen.
I see me very I go didn't catch for.
Oh, go on.
Yeah,
I'm old.
Yeah, I'm old.
Hey.
You're very nice.
I'm